Greetings from Shiba Inu Crypto once again, everyone. Shiba Inu's price has dropped by the biggest percentage this year, which is causing it to become more volatile. With the use of technical indicators and traditional price action strategies, traders can use this analysis to predict both bullish and bearish scenarios. The digital meme coin dropped 11% on red day, making Shiba Inu's price experience the strongest of the year. The token's price behavior in the future will be determined by the price as it approaches a previously defined trend line. Traders should anticipate a more substantial loss if the bulls fail to offer support at the current level. We will discuss the CEO of Shiba Inu sending SHIB to $10 overnight in this video. SHIB news soon. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. The current price of Shiba Inu is 0.0000112134. Every day, the bears try to create a candlestick close below a 21-day simple moving average. Should it be effective, this would be the initial indication that the general upward trend that started in the final week of December has come to a halt. However, there's always a risk that the upward trend might carry on. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates that the price is currently bullishly diverging from the previous consolidation zone near 0.00105 and is returning to levels of support. As a result, one could consider the current decline to be a purchasing opportunity. In the big picture, an RSI decline below 40 would suggest that the entire rally is vulnerable to liquidation. Bulls should target the August high at 0.0000001800, which would represent a 45% rise in price from Shib's current market value, as their next significant level of interest. Conversely, the bears who join the market close to the latest swing high at 0.000000111575 would probably start increasing their positions if the RSI does break below 40. This might lead to a selling frenzy that targets Shib's winter rally's origin point, which is around 0.0078. A 36% drop from the present Shiba Inu price is possible under the bearish scenario. A crypto venture capital firm went on a major multi-million-dollar acquisition binge, buying up billions of Shiba Inu tokens. A cache of SHIB held by Chicago-based trading company Jump Trading has increased dramatically from 250,000 on February 4 to slightly over 130.7 billion, according to new data from blockchain search engine Etherscan. With the purchase of the meme token with a dog motif, Jump Trading, which is renowned for being among the tiniest hedge funds, now owns SHIB valued at roughly $1.7 million. Based on the platform's most recent financial report, it manages assets valued at approximately $150 million overall. The article does, however, also speculate that Jump Trading might have an even greater portfolio than that which has been reported because it might have assets like cash or real estate that aren't made public. The hedge fund's buying frenzy coincides with a drop in the price of Shiba Inu. The rival cryptocurrency to Dogecoin has dropped by roughly 4% in the past day, now trading at 0.0013, down from its 7-day high of 0.00005. According to a recent analysis by the cryptocurrency analytics platform Santiment, Shiba Inu has become the second largest altcoin held by Ethereum whales, and as a result, whale activity surrounding it has been increasing in 2023. Santiment claims that the top 5,000 Ethereum whales in the world currently possess a whopping 50 trillion, 95 billion, 77 million, 716,073 free SHIB, valued at just more than $735 million. The rate at which the total amount of SHIB tokens is depleted is known as the Shiba Inu burn rate. Token burn, a procedure that sends some tokens to a public address without a known private key, is how this is accomplished. By doing this, the tokens are essentially taken out of circulation and their total supply is decreased. The original token distribution for SHIB was intended to resemble the limited supply and behavior of a conventional stock. To prevent token inflation, the project's creators burned half of the token supply and stored the other half. Glassnode data shows that over the last many months, Shib's burn rate has drastically decreased. By January 2023, the rate had dropped to just 3% from over 8% in December 2021. A number of variables, including the significant SHIB token sell-off and the release of additional tokens from the locked supply, are probably to blame for this decline in burn rate. In the recent day, the SHIB burn rate fell by 99.13%, from nearly 20 million SHIB tokens burned to just 205,000. The burn rate's overall performance in relation to the price of SHIB is still poor despite this reduction. Trader interest in SHIB may be waning for a number of reasons. The recent token sell-off, which saw values drop from all-time highs, is one of the primary causes. Some traders might have cashed out as a result, keeping their winnings from their investments. The growing rivalry in the DeFi market is another aspect. There has been an increase in the quantity of brand new DeFi initiatives in recent months, each with a distinct token. Competition like this could detract from SHIB and other projects. Lastly, the longevity of Shib's business strategy may worry certain traders. The creators of the project have declared their intention to support future development with a percentage of the token's restricted supply. Concerns exist, nevertheless, over the project's long-term ability to bring in money and continue expanding. The value of the cryptocurrency can rise by burning off some of the Shiba Inu tokens that are currently in circulation. The amount of burning required to get the price down to 0.1 presents a big obstacle, too. With 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation right now and a $5.81 billion market capitalization, a price of 0.001 can be reached by bringing down the token supply to 5.8 trillion. A Shiba Inu Discord moderator named Shib previously calculated that through the portals of shibaswap and the future Shubri Layer 2 solution, up to 88.8 trillion SHIB tokens might be consumed annually. According to this forecast, it would take about 6 years to achieve the required price. But achieving this objective might not be as simple as it first appears. Archangel, the lead developer at Shiba Inu, has cautioned against aiming for the impractical target of burning 90% of SHIB tokens. Getting to reach a price of 0.001, about 99% of the existing token supply would need to be burned. Furthermore, awards are paid in Rashi's Vision, which has a lower value than SHIB tokens, for burning Shiba Inu tokens. This calls into question the motivations behind burning tokens to lower their supply. Even if Shib's burn rate has recently decreased, the token's future is still unknown. The initiative might develop further and stay well-liked, but it also might end up being simply another unremarkable incident in the annals of cryptocurrency history. The token may see a rise in popularity if Shib's creators can effectively handle the difficulties they encounter and keep innovating. But to do this, a substantial amount of work, money, and a clear future direction for the project are needed. Bone has been gathered by whales in preparation for the release. Since the start of the year, the asset's price has increased as a result of the same. Bone's 101% increase on its official digital asset website has resulted in a more than twofold increase in value. Bone shibaswap was recently introduced to Huobi. The same argued in favor of a possible listing. On the official page, the trading and deposit options were noteworthy. Aside from that, distinct parts are devoted to the introduction of the project, details on the token, and associated links. Users are redirected to the Bone page when selecting the deposit option. But the same appeared blank and unresponsive. As a result, neither trading nor the exchange have formally acknowledged Bone's listing. For quite some time now, the Shiba Inu army has been waiting for Bone's listing. The exchange posted a photo of a red-clad Shiba Inu dog in mid-December of last year to respect the spirit of the holidays. Those in the space quickly began to advocate for the possibility of a Bone listing being considered. With the release of the most recent page, it appears that the exchange is now prepared for the same. We're done for today. remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.